I talk a lot about skin on a regular basis on my channel, but mostly about what I'm applying to my face to try and get it to behave and not have breakouts. But one of the other parts of this is also making sure we're getting everything we need internally to help the skin actually reflect a healthy glow and help heal, especially when you have skin issues and skin problems. If I don't do these things, I notice a big difference maybe about a week or 2 weeks later, so I know it's working. The first thing I do when I wake up is have a glass of water every single day, no matter what. It definitely just kickstarts the hydration. You want to get going, get something in there because you've been asleep and probably a little bit dehydrated when you wake up. Probably feel a little bit groggy. Just gotta get some hydration into your system. On other days, I kick it up a notch and add green juice powder. It's a really dark green clumpy mixture, and I just put about 1/4 teaspoon into my cup. And also because it tastes pretty much like nothing but has like a slight earthy taste, not a strong taste at all. I like to add a little bit of stevia powder. I love this one that is either lemon or it's like a lemon strawberry mix. Also, on days when I'm going to the gym, I do the electrolyte powder. It makes me feel a bit more awake, especially when I'm going to the gym. I feel a bit more alert, and I know that it's helping to detox and cleanse my livers. To have the glowiest, healthiest skin is to make sure your liver is being cleansed and detoxed. Also in the morning, I like to take my apple cider vinegar. This version has ginger, cinnamon, and cayenne pepper in it, and after taking this for a few weeks, I realized it helped a lot of inflammation that I had on one of my knuckles. It made the pain basically entirely go away. That is one of the keys here. If you have inflammation in your body, it's going to hit your skin. So with breakouts and with redness and rosacea, which I have as well, this is something I want to attack, and this product has helped enormously. I've been taking it for about 9 months now. I take 2 a day, no matter what. If I skip it after about a week or so, I'll notice the pain comes back in my hand, which means anywhere else in my body where there's inflammation, that's coming back as well. So this is one item I love and I take no matter what every single day. I also take a multivitamin no matter what as well, and I hate swallowing pills so much. So if I have a gummy, which the Alive brand does have, it's easier for me to take. If you can take a multivitamin without actually doing the gummy part, then keep at it. It's probably the best thing for you. So this is just really like, it tastes like eating candy. I take 2 a day. One of the other supplements that I make sure to take, and it really helps support my skin, my hair, my nails, is this essential enzyme supplement. I take this after I eat. One of them, if I'm having a meal that has a lot of complex carbohydrates or a mixture of a lot of different things in there, I'm going to take 2. So if I'm having a salad, I'll just take 1. And if it's something that involves bread or meat or dairy, if I'm eating dairy, I'll take a couple of these. And what I'm going for here is to make sure that this helps my digestion, so I'm getting all the essential minerals and supplemental form of vitamins into my system, so it's going back into my skin and hair and nails, and making sure that I have every nutrient that I need to help support my skin and the healing process, and also to make sure I'm glowing and healthy, especially if you eat a salad or fruit or vegetables, those greens, I want to make sure that they are fully digested to the max so I can benefit entirely from those nutrients. There are 2 food items that I make sure I have every single day, and one of them is 2 Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts actually help fight acne, so I make sure I have 2 full Brazil nuts. They have so many nutrients to help your body and your hair and your skin and your nails, but especially for helping you fight acne. I love this nut so much. I just buy a bag of them and make sure I have them close by so I remember to grab 2. I think of them as one of my supplements as well. Walnuts are something that I make sure I eat every single day as well. I eat about 1/4 of a cup a day. These are going to help with inflammation, which is something you're working on if you're trying to avoid acne and trying to heal acne. It's also going to help with rosacea because they have natural omega-3 fatty acids. They're going to help with that all-around healthy look to your hair, skin, and nails. This is the lemon drink that I drink once a day. You're taking the whole entire lemon, including the skin and the seeds, everything, and blending that into the blender. And I also have ginger in there. I get big chunks of ginger and slice them up and freeze those as well. Because this is really tart, you're going to want to soften that tartness with either stevia or blueberries. If you don't want to use blueberries or don't have any, I suggest using a kiwi, because kiwi has so many nutrients in it that are wonderful for your skin. It's so refreshing, and this is going to help your skin be really, really glowy. Try it for a week. You may notice a huge difference. I really recommend giving it a try. If you're used to seeing my channel or any of the videos that I've made or shorts, you're probably used to seeing me drinking green tea and talking about green tea. This is my favorite. It's Earl Grey green tea from Bigelow. I drink it pretty much 2 or 3 times a day, 2 or 3 cups a day. In the summer, I don't like a hot drink, so I end up drinking it once a day or not at all. And I'm gonna tell you, when I don't drink it in the summer, within a week, I notice a huge difference in my skin. My skin stops being glowy. It feels a little bit, there's like a missing kind of plumpness to it. I used to drink the black tea so much. And once I learned that green tea would help support my skin and the issues I have, especially with rosacea, I was like, let's try it. And I just fell in love. And it is something I am not going to want to ever live without, because I do notice a huge difference in the glowiness and healthiness of my skin. And that's what this is all about. I want my skin to feel supported and healthy and glowy, and I want the same for you. So if there's anything that you take internally that helps support your skin, if you have acne, rosacea, especially those 2 things, let me know what's going on with you. And if you have anything that helps you a lot, I want to know. Tell the people, let us all know.